Clarity chart analysis. In this channel, I will be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position in the price chart, and predicting the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the price chart, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to notify you anytime I drop a new video. In this video, I will be analyzing the Fantom token, currently sitting on number 71 on the coin market cap. It has the symbol of FTM. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Fantom is currently trading at the rate of $0.17 and it has a market cap of 443 million with a fully diluted market cap of 552 million. So guys, what is the Fantom? Fantom is a directly cyclic graph smart contract platform providing decentralized finance service to developers using its own bespoke consensus algorithm. Together with its house-in token, FTM, Fantom aims to solve problems associated with smart contract platform, specifically transaction speed, which developers say they have reduced to under 2 seconds. The Fantom Foundation, which oversees the Fantom production offering, was originally created in 2018 with the launch of Opera Fantom mainnet coming December 2019. Fantom is an open source decentralized smart contract platform for DApps and digital asset that was created as an alternative to Ethereum. Fantom has the goal of overcoming the limitation of previous generation blockchains and balancing 3 components: scalability, security, and decentralization. The project offers a set of tools to simplify the process of integrating existing DApps, as well as detailed staking reward system built on DeFi instruments. So guys, where can we get the Fantom token? We can get it on Gemini, on Kraken, on Binance Exchange, on KuCoin, on Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Uniswap, and any other exchange you get your favorite altcoin. Welcome to the Fantom USDT price chart. As you can see, I've already mapped out my market structure. I use yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I use red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4-hour time frame. Guys, the major purpose for this video is for us to use the market structure to analyze, to know our current position, and also to use the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. So guys, let's have this behind our mind that after every break of structure, there will always be a pullback. So guys, I'll be using these 2 tools to show us our move on the market structure. I'll be using the green tool to show us our bullish move, and I'll be using the red tool to show us our bearish move. So guys, let's see. After Fantom was launched far back 2020, it consolidated for a very long while, and the first break of structure we saw on the Fantom market chart price was a break of structure to the upside. That is, price coming from 0.05 far down to 0.02 to about $0.9. And guys, after a break of structure, we should expect a pullback. The bears came into the market, took price from that 0.9, took it back to about 0.17. So guys, from there the bulls came back, took price from that 0.1, rallied it back, break structure again to about $1.9. Guys, after break of structure, bears came back, pulled the price from that $1.9, took it back to about $0.9. Guys, currently now we know that the bulls are in control of the market, because as long as this higher low that gave us this higher high is not taken out, you should expect more break of structure to the upside. So guys, the bulls came back, took price from that 0.9, rallied back to about $2.4. Guys, broke structure again, telling us that they are still in control of the market. And sure, we can't actually have a straight line. The bears came back, took price from that $2.4 and took it back to about $1.9. Guys, we are just seeing series of break of structure to the upside, seeing series of higher high and higher lows. So guys, after then the bulls came back, took price from that $1.6, rallied back to about $3.5. Guys, expecting more break of structure to the upside. But before the break of structure, we still have to see a pullback. Sure, the bears came back to the market, pull price from that $3.6 and pull it back to about $1.7, breaking structure to the downside, telling us that they are now in control. And guys, remember what I said, that anytime we have double break of structure, a break of structure to the upside and a break of structure to the downside, we should go back to the demand or supply zone that gave us the second break of structure. Let's map it out, because there is going to be a significant reaction when price get back there. And guys, as you can see, when price got back there, we saw break of structure to the downside. So the bulls came back, took price from that $1.7, took it back to about $2.7. But guys, because it's actually a bearish trend, because we just saw a break of structure to the downside, bears came back, took price from $2.6, break more structure to the downside. They took price back to about $1.1. But guys, remember, we have a change of character already, so price have to respect that. So now price now went back to the supply zone, broke structure again to the upside, got to the supply zone, took price from $1.1 and took it back to about $3.4. And guys, remember, we should expect a significant reaction. Sure, the bears came back, broke structure now to the downside, and now took price from that $3.4 back to about $1.04. Sure, we expect the pullback. The bulls came back, pulled price from that $1.01, took price back to about $1.7. But guys, remember, we just saw a broke of structure to the downside, and the higher high that gave us this lower low, as long as it's not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. The bears came back, took price from that $1.6, broke another structure to the downside to give us $0.2. Guys, I don't need to tell you guys that we are in a bearish trend. We should be shorting the market, not longing at any point in time now. So guys, so now what's our current position on the major time frame? You just noticed a break of structure to the downside. We're expecting a pullback, but currently we've not really seen a significant pullback on the Fantom USDT market structure. So now let's move to our 4-hour time frame to analyze our minor structure. So on our lower time frame, we've been seeing break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from $1.6 and took it to about $0.6. Guys, after a break of structure, what should we expect? We should expect a pullback. Sure, the bulls came back, took price from that $0.6 and took it back to about $0.9. The bears came back, took price from that $0.8, broke structure again to the downside. Guys, as long as this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, guys, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. The bears came back, rallied the price, took price from $0.2 back to about $0.5. But guys, this is a bearish trend. We should expect more break of structure to the downside. So guys, after the break of structure, we saw a pullback. So now the bulls came back, took price from that $0.2 and rallied back to about $0.4. But guys, because this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. And sure, we got more break of structure to downside. The bears took price from $0.4 back to about $0.15. So guys, what's our current position on the Fantom USDT price chart? We just saw break of structure to the downside on our major time frame. We expected a pullback. Guys, I don't think this is a significant pullback. And on our minor time frame, we just saw another break of structure again to the downside, telling us that the players are still in control of the market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think from where price is currently trading, price will go back to this major demand zone on our major time frame and go back to the supply zone? Or do you think from this current place price is trading, it's going to go back to our supply zone, then come back and break this major demand zone? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, this channel is for you. Please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to notify